Hello, you've learned what self-pollination is from our lesson introducing pollination. In this lesson, we'll learn about the factors that promote self-pollination. As a quick reminder, self-pollination refers to the transfer of pollen grains from the anther of a flower to the stigma of the same flower if the flower is bisexual. That is, if it has both male and female reproductive organs. Self-pollination may also refer to the transfer of pollen grains from the anther of a flower to the stigma of another flower on the same plant. This could be from a male flower to a female flower on the same plant. Some factors promote self-pollination. The first is a condition called cleistogamy. Cleistogamy describes a situation in which bisexual flowers are permanently closed and enclose stamens and carpels. Since a cleistogamous flower is closed, it means pollen cannot be sent out of it to pollinate other flowers. So pollen are trapped within the flower, and they pollinate the stigma of that flower. Examples of cleistogamous flowers include peanut flowers and viola. The common wood sorrel can also have cleistogamic flowers at some point in its life cycle. There's another condition that promotes self-pollination. It is called homogamy. Homogamous flowers have reproductive organs, stamens, and carpels or pistils that ripen or mature at the same time. Dandelions are a good example of homogamous flowers. The styles of dandelions push through the anthers and become covered in pollen, self-fertilizing themselves, because their stamens and carpels are mature. The stigmas and anthers of some homogamous flowers can move or curl to touch one another. Sunflowers have stigmas that can curl to touch their anthers to initiate self-pollination. Flowers of rice grain plants have anthers that can brush their stigmas, depositing pollen on them and initiating self-pollination. This can also happen in hibiscus. So that's that about cleistogamy and homogamy, which promotes self-pollination. We'll still get to learn about the conditions that promote cross-pollination soon. I'll see you then.